Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to see who screenshotted you on BeReal. So first you need to tap your BeReal application, then log in to your account, and then go to the My Friends tabs. And after that, on Friends tab, tap the icon with the number if you have at the upper right corner. The number indicates how many times people screenshotted your post. So tap on it. Then choose a social media to see who screenshotted you on BeReal. Then after that, go back to BeReal application and tap again the icon with the number. And you can see now who screenshotted you on BeReal. So that's how to see who screenshotted you on BeReal. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.